Top of the morning to you, VJ from Canada. Today's topic of conversation is never make any decisions or try to resolve a problem when you're angry. Now, yesterday I was dealing with a person which was pretty well unreasonable, and I truly believe in my heart that I had been slighted or done wrong, and I was trying to resolve the issue, but you can't argue with an idiot, and that's the first thing I should know better. But you definitely can't argue with an idiot when you're angry. And anyways, any decisions or confrontations be handled when you've had a chance to cool down. Because I find myself when I'm angry, I throw out the F-bombs, and it's just, for me personally, it's not acting properly. But in some cases, this behavior ends up burning bridges, and in some cases it's bridges that really should be burned. So anyways, this situation that I had yesterday, it's all been resolved, and it's really laughable that I got upset over somebody who really is exaggerating their own importance in this life, and all I can say is I kind of feel sorry for the poor fat bastard from Austin, Texas. Cheers from Canada.